What if everything you know about life, death, and time is a lie? What if I told you that you are already dead? Not in some abstract, philosophical way, but literally, scientifically. A brilliant scientist has put forward evidence that suggests our entire perception of reality is an illusion, that time is not what we think it is, and that, from a higher dimensional perspective, our deaths have already happened. Sounds impossible? The proof is everywhere. You just haven't noticed it yet. Before you dismiss this as science fiction, let's take a journey into the nature of existence itself. Stay with us until the end, because by the time this video is over, you may never look at the world the same way again. Subscribe to @CryptoStoic Insights and hit the notification bell, because after this, you'll question reality forever. The man who changed everything. This isn't just another wild conspiracy theory. It's based on the research of a renowned physicist, Hugh Everett III, American scientist, 1930 to 1982, whose work has forced even skeptics to rethink what we call life. His findings challenge everything we believe about time, space, and the finality of death. His research suggests that, much like a pre-recorded film, our lives, and even our deaths, have already happened. But how could that be? To understand this, we need to explore one of the most mind-bending ideas in modern physics, the block universe theory. The science of time and death. Albert Einstein shattered our understanding of time with his theory of relativity. He proved that time is not a constant. It stretches, bends, and slows depending on gravity and motion. But one of the most unsettling implications of Einstein's work is that the past, present, and future all exist at the same time. According to the block universe theory, time is not a flowing river but a solid block. Every moment, your birth, your happiest memories, your final breath, already exists somewhere within this block. From this perspective, death is not an event that happens and is left behind. Instead, it is simply a location in the timeline, just as real as the moment you're experiencing right now. If true, this means your consciousness is just experiencing a segment of a greater whole. You are not truly moving forward through time, you are just perceiving one moment at a time. This isn't just a thought experiment. There are real, scientific clues that suggest we may already be gone. The evidence is everywhere. But if we were already dead, wouldn't we notice? Maybe we already have. One of the most mysterious experiences reported by millions of people worldwide is déjà vu, the eerie feeling that you have already lived this exact moment before. Some scientists believe déjà vu occurs because our brains accidentally access memories that haven't happened yet, as if all of time exists at once, and we sometimes glimpse another part of the timeline. Then there's the Mandela effect, people across the world remembering history differently, as if reality itself is unstable. And what about near-death experiences? Thousands of people who have been clinically dead for minutes, or even hours, report seeing themselves from above, experiencing a timeless state where past, present, and future blend together. Could this be evidence that we exist outside of time, and that death is nothing more than a transition to another point in this cosmic timeline? Are we in a digital afterlife? Here's where things get even stranger. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed the simulation hypothesis, the idea that we are living inside a hyper-advanced digital simulation. If true, then death might not be an end, but a reboot. Think about it. Everything you experience is just electrical signals in your brain. Your body could be just an avatar in a program. And if that's the case, what happens when the program resets? Some scientists suggest that consciousness might not even be tied to the brain, that it could be an external force simply interfacing with your body like a player in a video game. If that's true, then dying could just mean logging out and waking up in a higher reality. But if all of this is true, then what does it mean for you? What this means for you? So what does this mean for your life? For your choices? If time is already set, do we really have free will? Or are we just watching a film we cannot change? And if death is just another location in time, what happens next? Some scientists believe that if time is an illusion, consciousness might be eternal. You are experiencing a single moment now, but in some part of the timeline, you are always alive. This means you have always existed, and you always will. The real question is, are we moving through time, or is time moving through us? The evidence is everywhere, but the truth is up to you. What do you think? Are we already dead? Is time an illusion? Or are we living in a simulation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into mind-blowing theories, ancient mysteries, and hidden truths, hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Stoic Insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Reality isn't what it seems, and we're just getting started.